316L stainless steel is the most common material for manufacturers in the personal care industry. Products such as deodorant, shampoo, and body wash often utilize harsh chemicals in their manufacturing processes. Unfortunately, these ingredients can react with the pipes in processing lines and lead to corrosion. For instance, a well-known deodorant manufacturer began to encounter leaks in their transfer piping lines due to pitting corrosion. All pipelines were replaced only 6 months after the initial installation, with poor quality initially taking the blame. 6 months passed, and the piping began to show pitting a second time. Pitting is a type of corrosion in which chromium is dissolved in the chromium oxide layer of the metal. This leaves only the less resistant iron to fight the chlorides, which quickly bore into the steel, creating spherical pits in the material. The manufacturer replaced the piping for the second time with 316L. Unfortunately, less than 9 months later, the facility noticed more corrosion, and poor quality was blamed once again. More corrosion was detected less than 3 months after the third replacement was installed, and the company finally determined that 316L was not suitable for their process and searched for a corrosion-resistant replacement. Pitting corrosion begins with chlorides and accelerates at higher temperatures and lower pH values. The product formula being produced in the facility was found to have a pH value of 4.08 and a chloride content of 2.63%. or 26,300 parts per million. These two factors, combined with a weaker metal, create an environment highly prone to corrosion. After multiple tests, AL-6XN, a super austenitic stainless steel alloy, was chosen to replace the 316L. Due to the new material's high pitting resistance, the manufacturer has not had to replace the AL-6XN piping since its installation over 8 years ago. A lot of companies avoid corrosion-resistant materials such as AL-6XN due to their higher price tag, but their return on investment can pay off in relatively short time. Take the deodorant manufacturer, for example. Their initial investment in 316L was roughly $25,000, which is significantly cheaper than $100,000 for AL-6XN. But when you factor in 3 rounds of replacement costs for 316L, the super alloy is now less than a fifth of the total price. These replacement costs for 316L include demolition and reinstallation labor, as well as downtime. Typically, it can take up to 2 weeks to remove and reinstall a processing line, and as a result, downtime can lead to substantial losses for any company. Losses include sales, productivity, and personnel hours, while operation costs continue to grow, which can cost manufacturers thousands of dollars every hour production is shut down. It's worth looking into superalloy options, as they can result in long-term cost savings and less frustration. Be mindful that material and installation costs can vary greatly in different areas of the world, but a bigger investment up front can lead to thousands of dollars in savings down the road.